What's up, guys? We're back. We are going to be doing so I got some headlight switches from East Coast Gauge Repair. I'll put down his information below, but he's sending me, I ordered a new headlight switch and a new fog light switch because the lights are out. So usually that should be lit and that's just orange, but yeah, so and then these ones, they're on because the lights are on, but the lights don't kick on. And also too, when you open the door, sometimes this door won't do it. And so with that problem too, it's either your headlight, so this is what I heard, it's either your headlight switch or the door switch in the door, which is like right there. So those can be two issues that usually solve it. But what makes me think it's like not just the door is because this door sometimes does it and that door does it sometimes. This one works 90% of the time, and then the driver back always works. So I'm hoping, I don't know, I'm hoping it works. But as you can see, so sometimes you'll have to tap it and then it'll turn on. But yeah, we're gonna get that fixed. So these are gonna be blue, kind of match everything else. But yeah, just kind of showing you right now what it looks like. But we'll get her put on here once I go home and grab it. So I got the things finally. So here's his little card, East Coast Gauge Repair. Has all the stuff, so I'll put that link below to grab something from him if you'd like. But so we got a new one of these. So looks pretty good. And then we got my fog light switch right here. So we're gonna pop this out and put her back in. So all you're gonna do is pop this bezel out, a little flathead screwdriver on the sides, that pops out. Kind of the same thing with the fog light thing, so it's not too bad, just kind of whatever. So I did it on this. Let's see, turn the light on. All you gotta do is these little toppings right here, you gotta kind of push this up, and the same thing on the bottom. It's kind of the same deal. But yeah, you pull it out, and then I have my gauges wired to it, so that's why they're gonna kind of flicker a little bit. But yeah, so unclip it and put her back in. So she's in, and yeah, put the plug in real quick. Then all you do is basically just push it back in. Everything works, turn the lights on, dims. Yeah, I have a cough, it sucks. But anyways, looks pretty cool, and I'll get that in real quick and should be all set. Pretty easy install. Okay, so we got her installed. Everything works, so we'll open the doors. And yeah, everything. Lights turn on and off. They turn on. And then the fog lights right there. Cargo lights work. So everything works. It's awesome. Looks really good now. Finally, that it's all blue now. A little bit different color right there. It's kind of more darker blue, but it's I'm just glad they all match, really. So, but everything's matching. Definitely go hit up him. I'll put down his information, like I said, and you can go get some of your these. It literally took like a couple days, like 3-4 days to get from the East Coast to Idaho. It was really, really fast. I was like not expecting it to be here that soon, but it did a good job. So definitely recommend it. It's pretty awesome.